Welcome to Leslie's Love and Oven. I'm Leslie and today I'm packing a picnic. I'm going to share some of my ideas for a fresh and delicious picnic lunch. Today I'll be showing you how to put together a delicious Italian submarine sandwich and a few sides to go with it for our picnic lunch. So let's review some of the yummy ingredients you'll need to put this sandwich together. So for today we'll use a ciabatta bread that I've sliced, and over here I have some soppressata, which is an Italian style salami, thin sliced. In this bowl I have some marinated artichokes with fire roasted red peppers and some chopped olives. I always like to use an Italian submarine dressing when I make this sandwich, and this is an olive oil based one with some herbs. Over here I have some arugula, and over here some fresh sliced mozzarella with a little bit of chopped basil. Okay, so time to assemble our delicious sandwich. First, I like to take the Italian submarine dressing and give a generous drizzle to the bottom of the bread, so it can soak up all of these delicious ingredients we're going to put on there. That looks great. And the nice thing about ciabatta bread is it has these little indentations, so it catches all the olive oil and herbs. That's looking great. Okay. Next, I'm going to add the soppressata, and I'm just going to kind of layer it going across. There we go. Okay, and after I layer this, I like to add the mozzarella. I'll put a couple more slices on. These are some really delicious ingredients that come together for a tasty sandwich. I think it's easy to assemble. My husband sometimes likes to refer to this sandwich as fancy pants sandwich, but to me it's just delicious and quality ingredients that make for a delicious sandwich on a summer's day. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to layer our fresh mozzarella, which is going to give this sandwich some creaminess. I like to just kind of put it down the center of the bread. Okay, and then top that off with some of our fresh chopped basil, which gives it a wonderful aroma. So I just kind of sprinkle some. You could also make this sandwich without the meat and just do more of the cheese and tomatoes. I've also done that. And again, that marinade really ties it together nicely. Okay. All right, that looks like enough basil. And now I'm going to layer these delicious red roasted peppers and marinated artichokes. I just sort of place them on top. To me, this is the easy part. It's just layering. No fancy or special way of doing it, but you can see the colors are really mouth-watering and appetizing. And then the little saltiness of the olive gives it another layer of flavor. I've got some green olives in there. Okay. And just give that a generous topping to your meat and cheese. They better come hungry for this picnic. Oh, I like that. That looks wonderful. So colorful. It's another reason why I like this sandwich. It's so pretty. And then of course you're going to need some green. So today I've selected some arugula to go on top. All right, I think that looks great. Whoops, that one's trying to get away. All right, and now I just take a generous handful and just layer it on top. And then again, I like to douse it with the marinade. So I'll just give it a little bit on top. Oh, that looks wonderful. Okay, and then I also do the top of the bread again. And then we're going to press this together. And I'll also show you how I like to wrap and prepare this for the picnic basket so it travels well. Okay, there's our sandwich. Oh, here it goes. How does that look? Delicious. Okay, so I cut the sandwich in half and then each half into thirds. So this makes 6 sandwiches, and let me show you how I like to wrap them. Okay, so I take each slice, and then I have this paper that I got at the craft store in the food section, and I like to just wrap the paper over and then the sides, and it sure is festive with the red and white checks, so that makes it fun. And then I just kind of roll it over like that. And then I will put these in a Ziploc bag. Okay, and because the sandwiches do have that olive oil dressing, I like to secure them and just put them upright in a Ziploc bag for transporting. So every delicious picnic has fruit. And I have some grapes here with cantaloupe, but I'm going to show you another way to bring cantaloupe to a picnic. So to accompany our Italian sub sandwich, I have some cantaloupe that I'm going to wrap in some prosciutto. I have some thin sliced prosciutto that I'm just going to lay on the plate, and then take a slice of cantaloupe and just fold it down the center and roll it. It may not stay on the best, but that's why you'll use the toothpick. And then I just like to cut it in half and put the toothpick through. And then I have this cute little tin that I'm going to place these in. Okay, here's another one. And I love the taste of the salty and sweet. It's so refreshing. Let's do a few more, but you get the idea. It's fairly easy to do, and it makes a nice presentation. Okay, and that fits perfectly there in my little tin, and this will be a delicious side with our yummy sandwich. So some other ideas that I like to include for a picnic lunch include some store-bought biscotti, and here I have chocolate hazelnut, and I package them up in this cute little tin. So we'll put those in, and then some cloth cute checkered napkins, and of course our plastic travelware. And then I have some delicious fresh picked strawberries. I'll package those up in a container, and some fresh lemonade. Well, thanks for dropping by today. I hope these ideas gave you some inspiration to picnic and spend some quality time with those you love. And no matter what you pack, I hope you remember the secret ingredient is always love. So for these picnic ideas and some other recipes, please visit us at leslieslovenoven.com. And until next time, bon appetit!